Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G200. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, enter settings and go to display. Here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top, where we can change brightness level, enable or disable dark theme, night light, adaptive brightness, and we can change styles of our display. Next, we can change wallpaper, manage full screen apps, enable or disable peak display. This functions is see interactive notifications and quick information while your screen is off. Also, you can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, and change colors of our display. Next, we can change refresh rate between auto, 60 Hz and 144 Hz. Then we've got font size, display size, screensaver. We can manage our lock screen. For example, you can choose notifications on lock screen between don't show, show sensitive content, and show all notification content. Then we can skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, and enable or disable show lockdown option. Here we've got attentive display. Prevent the screen from dimming or going to sleep while you're looking at it. 3-finger screenshot. Swipe to split. Ready for. Connect your phone to display for immersive entertainment, engaging video chats, and a powerful desktop experience. And screen record. In here we can change between viewfinder size, between small and large, and we can change resolution between 1080p and 720p. And that's all for our display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.